Okay, this is AVS Computer Services setting up and hosting Exchange email account so that the user can access their hosted Exchange email box via Outlook. First thing we're going to do is type in the user's email address, and if you notice, I've selected the services instead of Outlook Web Access. Okay, once inside the account, you'll see there's a lot of selections that you can make, everything from changing your password, editing your profile, putting in a request to turn on ActiveSync, BlackBerry, or Outlook Backup. Quite a few selections you can make. You're going to select this link that says Downloads and Instructions. And from this link, we're going to download the Outlook Profile Helper. In fact, we'll use the single sign-on instead of the Outlook Profile Helper. The single sign-on is a little bit more comprehensive than just the Outlook Helper. The Outlook Helper will only set up Microsoft Outlook for you, which is this link right here. And if you actually want the single sign-on, which is right here, the single sign-on will actually give you direct access, one-click access to the OWA without having to type in the web address, as well as setting up your Outlook for you. Okay, so we're going to download the single sign-on. It's just a small application. We'll run it. Install the application. Okay, once the application is installed, you'll see this pop-up box come up, and basically you'll just enter your email address in there, the entire email address, and enter your password. And don't forget to check this box that says remember me on this computer, because if not, you'll be forced to enter your password every time you want to start Outlook on your computer. You just click sign in. There's a little delay after you click the sign in button, so just be patient and it'll go right in. Okay, there you go. Now we're in the single sign-on. As you can see, we're logged in as Neil in the single sign-on. So you have a couple of selections. It says set up your Outlook profile, or you could just start web access. If you have SharePoint available, you can also access that from here, and you can also do management and request services. So if you want additional services that aren't available to you, you can request them using this link. You can also change your password here. So all we want is to set up our Outlook profile. So since we already have Outlook installed on this machine, which I've already checked, and we do. If you can see here, if we look into Microsoft we already have Outlook 2013 installed on this machine. So you want to make sure you have that installed. If not, you could download Microsoft right from this management control panel also. So we're just going to set up our Outlook profile. Just click on it and be patient. It'll actually pop up. And it's going to create a profile for Neil. There you go. That's it. So instead of typing a bunch of IP addresses and trying to figure out what your server is, that's all you need to do. And you just click finish and it should launch Outlook. It's a great time saver for setting up Outlook without having to go through a lot of hassles. Okay, that's it. We're all done, and thanks for watching, and visit us on the web at avscomputer.com.